G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo. Great to see you all again. Today, we're down at the open day for Wulf Institute.
We had 150 degrees.
Hey, how is that?
What we're doing is we are making a pencil case, kind of close to the edge, like I've done there. Yep, perfect.
That is so impressive for a battery-powered saw.
Wow.
Only thing with the rehandle, sir, the blades that come with that have a diamond bore.
Right. We're about transparently, sustainably sourced timber. We get it from a couple of sources. We do a bit of salvage stuff.
AUW, short for All You Want Building Supplies, and also Architecture You Want. We are a hardware and timber supply specialist, but also render, cladding and all your external facades. So we actually have 2 stores located on Albert Street in Preston, number 80 and number 68.
From Lifetime Finance, mortgage broker and finance broker for residential, commercial and businesses. My own business for 15 months, but I've been 32 years of lending experience.
That's the hammer I use. I'm a little bit bigger.
We write legal terms and conditions of trade, which is really about protecting your business, Joe. Protecting your hard work, your income, your cash flow. Because a lot of times you're outlaying all the costs to deliver that job. So you're paying for your guys, you're paying for the materials, and then you invoice your customer and you're sort of...
Today I am at Wulf Institute with Mark from Vic Truss.
We have different floor trusses. You have a long reach, which is a timber floor truss. Then we have a span truss, which is a metal product, all computer engineered.